The new turkey vest from Knight & Hale, the RNG-200. It's a very tight-fitting vest. On the left side of here, we have 2 dedicated pot call pots, 4 striker holes right behind it. We've got a dedicated box call pocket on the bottom on the left side. On the right side, we've got some standard pockets. We've got these quick-dry diaphragm holders. Behind that, we have more pockets. We have an easy access pocket. It's got almost 200 square inches of space in the pack on the back. To fit this correctly, we recommend starting your adjustments in the back. You can loosen or tighten this. You can adjust the back and then adjust the front to lower or raise it to where you need it to be. The seat system is a cinching seat system where it can easily go from stowed to deployed with one hand. As you can see, it's got everything you need for a successful hunt.